Alright, so I got something from Walmart. This is $9.99, I think. Sounds $10 for this. Tech station. So, let's grab the old scissors. Let's see. Cut that and cut that. Away, scissors. And there we go. Open the box and what do we see? The plastic things no one likes. A manual. Oh, actually, not bad rubber, I will say. Okay, a little flexy, bendy, but that's okay. Okay, that's I guess this connects to a lightning cable, so let's get a lightning cable. Lightning to USB. C. Obviously it's C. So it goes like... Am I supposed to put it the other way? I don't know. Let's find it. I guess it goes the other way. Apparently, I do not know how to put that in. We're struggling for some reason. It's silicone. How bad is it to push it to silicone, friend? I'm not going to edit this part out of the video. And then it goes through these slots. These cutouts, I meant. Okay. And, I believe it's supposed to go all the way kind of in. Okay, I think that's correct. So it's, okay. I think it's a little flimsy, but as I plug it in, special USB hub should be connecting now. Oh, it's not even connected? Okay, well, it is plugged in, but we need to fix it, I guess. There we go. There, now it makes the connection. Alright. Oh, this is also the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch and your AirPods can be here. It can be like that. And then when you're not using it, you can just take it out very easily. I hope you like this video. You can share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to stay tuned. Thursdays are live stream night. So I'll see you then. Peace.